Hi, welcome to Zimstech Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, chairperson of SADC, is currently presiding over a virtual extraordinary summit of heads of state and government. The summit is focused on addressing the ongoing security challenges in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. During the meeting, leaders will receive updates on the latest developments in the security situation, after which they will deliberate on the recommendations made during the extraordinary SADC Organ Troika Summit held last Thursday. In his opening remarks, His Excellency Mr. Elias Mahosi, the Executive Secretary of SADC, stressed the urgent need for member states to reassess their mandate given the worsening security situation in the eastern region of DRC.